we are getting some more breaking inputs. In fact, this breaking input is a reality check for Pakistan, because America has now told in very clear terms to Pakistan that it cannot use American weapons without its permission. F-16 being a case in point. Now, Pakistan's misadventures today may have serious repercussions. This is what America is saying. Earlier today, the United States of America had not just asked Pakistan to not escalate the matter through any sort of military action, but also advised it to act against terror. Let me go across to our national affairs editor, Srinjoy Chaudhary, who will give us more details. But very clearly, America has told Pakistan that it cannot use American weapons without its permission. And we are here talking about F-16. I believe Srinjoy is ready. He has more details on this big breaking news. Let's go across to him. Yes, Srinjoy. All right, I believe Srinjoy is not able to hear me. We'll try and connect with him, but this is a massive development. Earlier today in the day, United States of America warned Pakistan against taking any sort of military action or escalating the situation between India and Pakistan. And now Pakistan has been told, a reality check by America, Srinjoy, Pakistan has been told that it cannot use American weapons without its permission.
Yes, the important point here is that America has strict rules, America has strict protocol. The point is that Pakistan has used the F-16, but it cannot use the F-16 in a escalating role. It can at best use it to defend itself. In this case, an F-16 came across the line of control, dropped bombs here and went back before it got shot down. The thing is, America has very strict rules, very strict protocols. You cannot use a weapon that has been supplied by America to any country, including Pakistan, in an escalating role, in an offensive role, is the rule. So now it has to be seen what America does about it, because it is clearly a violation of the laws and the agreements when America passed on the fighter planes like the F-16 to Pakistan.